November through February is the best time to plant most trees in Louisiana. The reason is because with the cooler weather, the trees aren't under as much stress and they can really focus on developing their roots and getting established before spring. The only types of trees we really want to avoid planting this time of year are ones that are from warmer or more tropical climates, such as an olive or a fig tree. Now, when you're going to the garden center to pick out a nice shade tree, remember that it's going to be around for decades, so choosing the correct tree is really important to make sure you're getting the best quality. The first thing to look for, and most importantly, is a nice straight trunk. So follow the trunk all the way up to the top of the tree and make sure it's generally straight. The next thing that you're going to want to look for is wounds that might be on any of the bark surfaces. Now, these two trees don't have any wounds, but you'll sometimes see where the bark is scraped off or maybe has even healed over. I like to pass over those trees and try to find one that doesn't have any wounds on it. Next, make sure that the branches around the tree are fairly uniform and the tree doesn't have a flat side or a broken side. You can also see this on this tree, how the branches are nice and straight out or slightly curved upward. You don't want any lower hanging branches unless you're buying a weeping cultivar. As a final step in selecting your tree, go ahead and actually slip the pot off the bottom of the tree and look at the roots. Are they healthy? And also make sure that the root ball itself is not overfilled with roots that are growing in a circular pattern, something we call being pot bound. So keep these items in mind when selecting a tree from the garden center, and you're sure to get a really good quality tree. For Get It Growing, I'm Jason Stagg with the LSU AgCenter.